Atlantis, go.
Okay, Fergie, we're starting to feel pretty good down here on the ground about this one today. So on behalf of the greatest team in the world, good luck to you and your crew on the final flight of this true American icon. And so for the final time, Fergie, Doug, Sandy and Rex, good luck, Godspeed, and have a little fun up there.
That's right.
We're not ending the journey today, Mike. We're completing a chapter of a journey that will never end. You are the thousands of men willing to give their hearts, souls, and their lives for the cause of exploration have rewritten history. Let's light this fire one more time, Mike, and witness this great nation at its best. The crew of Atlantis is ready for launch.
Woo!
Thank you, sir. We'll get you going here in a couple of minutes.
T-minus 40 seconds, handing off to Atlantis' computers at T-minus 31.
And watch with your eyes when you see.
T-minus 35, 33.
Console hold at T-minus 31 seconds due to a failure.
Ah!
And we have had a failure. Grand launch sequencer.
Launch retract switches. NNTDST. Go ahead. Yes, sir, we need guys to go do the verification per the LCC, please. Alright, C-Mac?
As C-Mac, the LTC says we need to verify using your camera, and we're positioning camera 62 right now.
Okay, let us know as soon as 62 is swung over and you can verify LCC for GDA retransmission.
And all personnel, we're holding here 31 seconds while we get a verification that the GBA has fully retracted.
They're taking one of the cameras on the pad. They're looking over to make sure it's fully retracted. So they can still be fine.
This is C-Mac, we verify retracted.
It's retracted. They had a switch failure probably.
Okay, and you can verify that it is fully retracted per the instructions that we're being released on, correct? That's correct. Alright, and then
NNTD concurs, they satisfy the requirements of GSC 13 pre-package and CI go.
okay, I copy and launch purpose. Yes, sir, heard all that, concur, personnel? Alright, very good.
Impressive.
NNTDST.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I need concurrence to GLS and mass to clear this hold, please.
Very good, and GLS, you have concurrence, go.
Copy that, it's in work.
Does it work? Thank you. Let us know now. Alright, guidance. Just a reminder for folks, our launch back hold time is 3 minutes and 16 seconds.
NTD, GLS on 212, we're ready to go.
Alright,
They
very
wrote a
good.
waiver.
And launch purpose was excellent with the rules.
So what? We start over at what now?
And all personnel, we are going to pick up the clock here momentarily.
Pick it up where I
GLS, you
stopped.
can begin the clock on your mark.
Copy that. Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, start.
T-minus
Okay, so auto sequence start.
handoff to Atlantis' computers has occurred. Solid rocket booster nozzle steering check and work.
20.
Firing chain is armed.
Watch this one. Okay, you're good. Scoot over. You're good.
Go for main engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
4.
All 3 engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. The final liftoff of Atlantis on the shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue the race.
Look at that. Look at this.
The program is
Roger roll, Atlantis. Houston now controlling the side of Atlantis. The space shuttle spreads its wings one final time for the start of a sentimental journey into history. 24 seconds.
Oh my God. The airplane is the STA. Okay.
Atlantis, go and throttle up No action, DT.
Call from Capcom Barry Wilmore, a transducer, instrumentation only, no action required.
Golly.
You guys are cool?